If you've been wondering how to create that swipe up feature on Instagram stories without 10,000 followers, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Let's get to it. As you know, on Instagram, it's kind of difficult when it comes to linking people to an external link. There are only two ways of doing this. The first one is the Instagram bio. The second one is through the description box of an IGTV video. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm gonna be sharing with you the most common mistakes that I see people making with this feature and how to avoid them. So the first thing I need you to know is that this swipe up feature will not be available for you unless you already have published an IGTV video. The second thing you need to know is that this IGTV video actually needs to have a very specific script in order to get the results that you're looking for, which is you want them to click on the link, right? I am gonna show you exactly how to create this IGTV video, along with exactly what to say in order to make sure that your IGTV video is getting the result that you want. So I have my phone here and I'm getting ready to record, and there's a few things that I want you to know beforehand. So the first thing is that IGTV will only allow you to upload a video that is longer than 1 minute long. The second thing is that IGTV will not let you record within the IGTV app itself. So make sure that you're recording yourself from within the native camera app on your phone. Hey friends, it's Alex Beaton here, and today I have something really special to share with you guys. I've created a masterclass specifically for you guys, and it is called the 10 Instagram Story Tips, Tricks, and Hacks for the Busy Entrepreneur. Now, it's 100% free. All you have to do to access it is tap the title at the top of this IGTV video. That's gonna bring down the description box. And within the description box, you are going to see the link, okay? What I want you to do is tap on that link and it's gonna take you straight to the sign up page. Like I said, it's 100% free, so go and check it out now. Now I'm gonna walk you through it again just in case you haven't. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you love it. If you do watch it, leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye. So the first thing you want to do is open the IGTV app. From there, you're going to press the plus icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. From there, you're gonna allow IGTV access to your videos, press OK. Your next step is to select the video that you want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You're gonna press next. And from there, it's going to allow you to choose a thumbnail. Even though the people who are watching your Instagram story and swiping up will never see the cover photo of this IGTV video, it is best practice to always add a thumbnail cover because, guys, we don't want to just put this regular image here. It would be cool if it had some text on it or some additional color or something that was grabbing people's attention. What you're going to do is you're going to press the button at the very bottom of the screen that says Add from Camera Roll. From there, it's gonna bring up your camera roll and you're gonna be able to select which photo you want to be your cover photo. One thing to note is that IGTV does have a tendency of being quite slow. So if you're ever trying to grab something from your camera roll, whether it's for the cover image or the actual video itself, and you're just seeing like a black screen, just be patient. It's loading. From there, once you've gotten your cover photo selected, you're going to press next. From there, you're going to put in your title and description. So this is what we want to be very clear and purposeful with. So right now I've gone ahead and I've put in my title. In the description box, you can see I've written click here to sign up now. Another tip is that instead of actually typing out the entire URL, just copy paste it, right? So I'm just gonna tap there, press paste, and voila, there it is. Add pointing emojis to the link so that there's no confusion as to where it is that you want them to tap. One last thing to be aware of when you're posting to IGTV is that Instagram gives you the option to post that IGTV video preview to your Instagram feed. Now, if this is a video that you're excited for people to watch and something that you're pumped by and you want it to be on your feed, great, post it there. However, if this video is just a call to action to get people to tap the title at the top, this may not be the best thing to post to your feed. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see this option that says post a preview. We're going to unselect that to make sure that it's not posting a preview to our Instagram feed. So now we're gonna press post. Your video successfully posted to IGTV. It asks, do you wanna share it to your story? We do, but I wanna walk you guys through how to do it without this prompt. So for now, I'm gonna press close. Instagram is up and open. We've got our stories out. We're gonna take a quick picture, me pointing up. From there, you're gonna add any text that you want to add. So as you can see, I've already added my text, I've added my border. If you wanna learn more about that, I've got all the tips and tricks for you right up there in this video. However, moving forward, what I want to show you here is a very easy way to just encourage people to swipe up is to add a GIF. So if you click the sticker icon at the top right-hand side of your screen, you select GIF, and then you're just going to search swipe up. And this is going to give you a ton of different options for swipe up GIFs. I quite like the GIFs that are literally just like 2 arrows kind of moving upwards. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, move it down, and voila, there we have it. Now this is where it gets good. What you're going to do next is you're going to select the chain link icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. From there, you are going to select IGTV video, and from there, you are going to select the IGTV video that you just posted. So we're going to press select, and then we're going to press done. There we go, guys. Now all you have to do is add it to your story. So I'm going to press add to your story, and voila! It has happened. Now that you know how to access the swipe up feature without 10,000 followers, I want to share with you the top common mistakes that I see people making when it comes to this feature. The first common mistake is super simple. I've already mentioned it to you, and it's when people make a video that's less than a minute long and then they're not able to upload it to their IGTV. The second thing is forgetting to actually mention that they need to click and giving them clear enough directions on where they need to click. The third mistake is that you're giving them directions, but maybe you're not giving them enough time to click. Tell them once at the early beginnings of the video and then giving them enough time at the end of the video to actually follow through, maybe by giving them the instructions twice, or maybe by giving them a little bit more information on what it is that they're gonna get. Now, the fourth mistake I see people making is that they are not uploading a cover photo to their IGTV video. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, Alex, it doesn't matter because people are swiping up from my Instagram story. They're not even gonna see the cover photo. But let me tell you something, that IGTV video lives on your IGTV channel. And when people go to your channel, those thumbnails are the most important thing. So please don't skip out on adding a cover photo. The fifth common mistake I see people make is that they forget that their IGTV video needs to be watched within the IGTV interface. So what they do is they end up posting the preview to their Instagram feed. That seems like a really smart and intelligent thing to do with most regular IGTV videos, but with this one, it doesn't really make sense because we're giving them the call to action at the beginning of the video to tap the title and then to click a link. And when they're watching it within the feed, those options are not there. So make sure that when you're using this feature, you are not posting it as a preview to your Instagram feed. If you're interested in learning how to use Instagram stories for lead generation, then I highly suggest you check out this video right here. If you came to this video from that one, then I highly suggest you watch this video where I'm gonna be teaching you how to create visually engaging on-brand Instagram stories using the Instagram app itself. So hopefully I'll see you over there.